Hello everyone. So we are now in lecture number 4 where we will be discussing problems involving pair of linear equations. So sigi lecture sida akoina khanadoise linear equation pair of linear equation na solve tauba yaba problem gaise kamaina solve taugani haidi equation sina kamaina semba aduga equation se solve kamaina taugani haibisidi akoina method mayam am leikre graphical method algebraic method adubodi apply tawni aduga main oina sigi part sida koina focus tawdoise equation je kamaina ikhalakani equation je pirammiba problem judagi equation kamaina semakani habdune ko lecture number 2 da akoina graphical method howdringai da application of linear equation da koina haigibdo so I'm problem am piramme aduga adugi hek makada koina equation ama pidana problem du solve tauge haadi simain tawdoine aduda iriba equation do koina kamaina irakani habdo sigi lecture sida koina focus tawgani ko so let's move on so example oina lauraga sai koina previous lecture da zo koina step 1 to 3 na solve tawba dumaina sida su chap manana tawse ko so let's consider the example. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. If 6 is added to each number, the sums are in the ratio 3:4. Find the two numbers. Number ani sineba akoina puthoktoise haidi number ani sigi ratio se 2:3 da lay aduga akoina number ani sida 6 add tawsalaba matungda di magi ratio se 3:4 lay aduna akoi number se kana kana no haib se puthoktoine number ani se puthokke haadi akoina number ani se variable ani ohelaga adugi matung ina akoina equation se semaga equation do solve tawbagi haadi akoina graphical method sizina bayai algebraic method sizina bayai algebraic method da so koina substitution elimination cross multiplication that's how we'll be solving so let's try to know how we will form the equation so the first step 1 defining the variables hai taragadi akoina puthokadauriba pot se akoina variable se adum oihello se sida kai hai two numbers sineba akoina puthoktoise number ani duneba puthoktoise aduna variable se akoina kana kana oihenba sigi number ani se oihelani so let x and y be the two numbers ko sina first step second step tana akoina kai tawni masaigi hairiba variable ani se si sizinaraga akoina equation ani sema ani equation ani se kamaina semgani hairakanda equation 1 jina akoina kamaina semgani pirammiba problem duda condition ani adum yaurangani ba first condition duna equation number 1 adum semo second condition duna equation number 2 adum semo so condition 1 ngasai question duda kai hai ratio of the two number is 2:3 aduna kai hai variable siga loina na sema adi kai oani x is to y equal to 2:3 kai gino da koina number ani se x ka y ka ne hairimnina mabani ki ratio se 2:3 ga mane ko so x is to y hai se x by y hai baga mane 2:3 hai so 2/3 hai baga mane so 3x equal to 2y ko so this is equation number 1 condition number 2 da kai hairi if 6 is added to each number the ratio is 3:4 haidi number ani sida koina 6 add tawba kanda mabani ki ratio se 3:4 oi haibane so x plus 6 haidi number sida 6 add tawba haibane na ko aduga y da su 6 y plus 6 si tawrakanda mabani ki ratio se 3:4 haidi 3/4 ga manai haine so we'll solve this and akoina sidagidi karamba equation phange 4x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0 sigisna koina equation number 2 na kaurani ko so in step 3 what we will do is we will find the value we will solve these two equations by using any of the method which we have studied in our previous lecture either by using graphical method or by using algebraic method so in this particular ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯊꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯜቭ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨꯁꯦ 12 ꯐꯪꯉꯦ, ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯜꯌꯨꯅ 18 ꯐꯪꯉꯦ. ꯁꯣ ꯗ ꯁꯣꯜꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ this particular problem is x equal to 12, y equal to 8. That is, the two numbers are 12 and 18. So this is the end of our chapter number 4, pair of linear equations in two variable. Chapter se loisalakpagi matungina aina hainingbadi ngasai akoina every lecture khudingda end of the lecture da points to remember, keep in mind haiba, and then go through haiba sigi mayam se adum recall tawbiyo. Aduga section wise ki noigi textbook ta piriba loina content kaido concept kaido adum thoroughly pabiyo. Adumak pada taragasu aigi lecture khudingmaki section wise ki lecture 1 2 3 na lairi 4 si lairi se si paraga noi textbook tagi section wise ki oiba exercise pirido adugido solve tawraga you practice it that way. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.